Looking to turn your next project from idea to build? Dive into our world of woodworking plans, clear, step-by-step instructions that guide you through every cut, joint and finish. Whether you're crafting a simple shelf or a full-scale piece of furniture, the right plans make all the difference. With detailed diagrams, material lists, and solid workflow tips, these woodworking plans give you the confidence to get it right the first time. Start your build smart, download your woodworking plans, grab your tools, and let's build something great. To learn more, click the link below.